Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. So how are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of God. So guys, welcome to the series of confused words, part 3. Today I am going to talk about two words which are also homophones called complement and complement. So complement with an I and complement with an E. So let us understand what is complement with an I. So compliment with an I means that you are praising someone. You're getting compliments on being good or looking good. So for example, today I received many compliments on wearing this new dress. Today I received compliments after giving a wonderful speech. Next word is a complement with a E. Complement with a E means that works well together or matches together. For example, the shirt complements this blazer very well. The chocolate sauce complements with the pancakes very well. So guys, keep watching, keep learning.